Choosing the right full-size PC case is essential for building a high-performance gaming rig. Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the best full-size PC case you can buy. A well-designed case provides ample space for your components, supports robust cooling systems, and offers customizable features to suit your aesthetic preferences. The best case for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences, such as the size of your components, your desired cooling solution, and your aesthetic preferences. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. On number 5 is Thermaltake Tower 900. The Thermaltake Tower 900 is a behemoth of a PC case, designed to accommodate the most demanding gaming setups. With its massive dimensions of 16.7-inch WX19DX 29.6H and a net weight of 54 pounds, the Tower 900 is built to last. This case supports a wide range of motherboard form factors, including Mini ITX, Micro ATX, ATX, and eATX, making it suitable for various system configurations. The generous interior provides ample space for high-end components, including multiple graphics cards and large liquid cooling radiators. The Tower 900 features a stunning 5mm thick tempered glass side panel, offering a clear view of your meticulously built system. The case also includes 4 USB 3.0 ports and a single HD audio port for easy connectivity. One of the standout features of the Tower 900 is its ability to eliminate GPU sag. The case supports vertical mounting of multi-GPU configurations on an eATX platform, ensuring that your graphics cards remain securely in place. At number 4 is Fractal Design Meshify 2XL. The Fractal Design Meshify 2XL is a well-designed and spacious case that offers excellent airflow and customization options. Its iconic angular mesh design provides filtered airflow, ensuring your components stay cool and dust-free. The dual layout interior can accommodate motherboards up to eATX and SSIEEB, making it suitable for a wide range of builds. The Meshify 2XL features a new case design that opens up to fully expose the interior on 3 sides, allowing for easy access and customization. The case also offers exceptional water cooling support, with room for radiators up to 480mm in the front or top. There are ample fan positions, allowing you to install up to 9x 140mm or 11x 120mm fans for optimal cooling. Storage is not an issue with the Meshify 2XL. The case supports up to 18 HDDs and 5 SSD mounts in the default storage layout. This makes it ideal for users who need to store large amounts of data. On number 3 is CORSAIR iCUE 7000X. The CORSAIR iCUE 7000X is a premium full tower case that offers a combination of stunning aesthetics and practical features. Its 3 tempered glass panels provide a captivating view of your meticulously built system, while the spacious interior and clever cable management system make it a breeze to assemble. The CORSAIR Rapid Route cable management system simplifies the process of routing your major cables through a single hidden channel. The easy access hinge door and 30mm of space behind the motherboard ensure a clean and organized build. The case also comes with 4 included 140mm RGB fans, featuring 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan and AirGuide technology for enhanced cooling. The iCUE 7000X offers smart RGB and fan speed control thanks to the included CORSAIR iCUE Commander Core XT controller, CORSAIR iCUE software, and PWM fan repeater. This allows you to customize the lighting and cooling performance of your system to your preferences. At number 2 is Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700M is a premium full tower case designed for those seeking a versatile and aesthetically pleasing solution for their high-performance builds. Its highly versatile layout allows for various component configurations, making it suitable for a wide range of systems. One of the standout features of the Cosmos C700M is its graphics card mounting with riser cable. This allows you to display your GPU vertically, showcasing it as a centerpiece of your build. The case also features Argo lighting, providing customizable RGB illumination for a stunning visual effect. With 8 expansion slots, the Cosmos C700M can accommodate multiple graphics cards or other expansion cards. The extensive cable cover system helps to maintain a clean and organized interior, while the versatile liquid cooling support allows you to install various water cooling components to keep your system cool under heavy loads. Now moving to the last one is Phanteks Enthoo series. The Phanteks Enthoo series is a high-quality PC case that offers a combination of performance, aesthetics, and versatility. The Enthoo Primo model includes a total of 5 fans, one 140mm fan on top, two 40mm LED fans in the front, one 140mm fan in the rear, and one 140mm fan on the bottom. The case supports additional fans for further customization. The Enthoo series features a clean and elegant design, characterized by its refined aluminum front and top panels. The LED lighting can be controlled, allowing you to customize the look of your case. The dual repositionable and removable HDD cages provide flexibility for storage, while the closed HDD panel ensures structural rigidity. The case includes removable drop-in lock double-stack SSD brackets that can be installed in 3 different locations. The removable front and top covers make it easy to install cooling components and remove dust filters. Additional dust filters are located in the bottom and side panel. The Enthoo series offers extensive water cooling support, with up to 5 different installation areas for slim and thick radiators ranging from single to quad, 120mm and 140mm form factors. The case also provides clearance for push-pull fan configurations. So guys, this was the video about the best full-size PC case. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.